Hey everyone, I had to go out of town for a few days and leave my garden unattended for the second night of freezing temperatures. I did leave everything covered, and now you're going to get to see me walk through this garden the morning after I get home, and you're coming along as my audience support group. Let's get this Florida Zone 10A butterfly gardening vlog rolling. Look at my monstera. Oh, you guys. It's still alive. I mean, the lower branches are fine. I'll just have to trim these off. But these leaves are just like works of art to me. They're so beautiful. And now they're freeze damaged. Look at the ones back there. They're not crunchy, but they're done. Oh no, my hemp vine. You know, I thought about covering this too. Why didn't I? Oh, this was not easy to find. Okay, there's a little leaf down there. Do you see it? Maybe it'll grow back. Please grow back, hemp vine. This is not a Florida native you find everywhere. Okay. All right, let's keep going. Oh, look at my tropical sage. I mean, they're going to be fine, you can see, but just, it's just sad to me. Just look at my tea bush. I have not ever had my tea bush do this. I mean, I've been down the 20s before, maybe because it's so big. Look at it. Oh, Florida native friends, will my tea bush come back? There's two of them. I mean, these are years old. They've got to come back, right? They'll come back. Snow square stems are okay, but oh, look at my fire bush. Oh, poor baby. Over here's looking okay. My Stokes aster look like they suffered a bit, but their leaves are green still. Lyre leaf sage looks fine. This little native patch is looking good. Those two snow square stems are crunchy. My poor elephant ears. Aw, look. It's like soft. It feels like a microfiber cleaning cloth. Oh my goodness. And look, I can see there's damage on the stems. Oh, I hope it's gonna be okay though. You're gonna be okay, aren't you, elephant ear? I love you. You have to be okay. Well, this one's crunchy. Oh, wow, look at over here. Here's a sign of good news. My beauty berry, look, we've got new growth, and it doesn't look like it was harmed by the freeze. That's good. Yay, beauty berry. My Lantana depressa is crunchy. Oh, but look, there's green down there. Oh, goody, goody, goody. Oh no, look at, oh, my sweet little sweet scents. You know, I don't have any seeds for these. I planted them all. What if they all die? Because, like, these you don't just find everywhere either. You know what's really yucky about all of this is that the chances are we're probably going to have another freeze because the way the weather's just been so strong and sending these fronts down so deep that I can't cut all this back like I want to. And so I have to live with Ugly Garden for about a month, which means you all have to live with me and Ugly Garden for about a month. We'll see. We'll be checking the 10-day outlook. We'll see. Look at this tropical sage. The birds are happy though. Oh my gosh, my Bahama Senna even. Look at this poor baby. Look at those damaged leaves. I mean, it's going to be okay. But usually these guys are like super hardy, but oh my gosh, I wonder how, oh no. I wonder how my, oh good, Passiflora incense was what I was wondering about. And there is a little damage just on the little ends, but I mean, look at this right here. It looks really green and good. Oh, thank goodness. The twine vine though, looks like it got it too. Okay, there might start to be tears now everywhere I look. Look at my alocasia all the way down this row. Look at my fire spike. Oh, look how burned this guy is. Oh, please, you have to come back, elephant ear. That elephant ear back there. My fiddlewood has some damage. Look at the look at this fire spike. This is my coral fire spike, right? Lower, upper. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at this cowpea. I am so glad I covered this cowpea. Oh my gosh, look at it. How on earth? Look at the whole thing. That's what the winds were like. It was crazy. I cannot believe it knocked over that heavy pot. All right, let me stand that up. Okay, it's upright. I'm glad I covered that because, well, we're going to uncover it later, but it would have looked like this. And I hope it doesn't. I hope the covers worked. Wild limes look okay. The very tips have some damage, but all in all, they look good. My wild lime trees look fine. My Buddleia, the Black Knight, it looks fine. Gosh, I'm surprised. My little button sage. Oh, no, no, no. I mean, it's still got green. It's going to be okay, but wow. Oh, my plum crazy. No, you have to come back. You have to be okay. But look at my pentas. Now, these guys would have got it. So I have to give props to these little plastic things because they did their job. I'll come out and collect those later. My quirky stem passion vines look good. There's a few touches, but they're going to be okay. My scarlet hibiscus, is sending out new growth, and I meant to cover that with one of those little domes and I forgot, but look, it's just fine. Probably because it's really wet. Like if you water plants or they've got a lot of water in their pots, it actually helps protect them. Thank goodness. And behind it in the pots is my snowberry and my silver buttonwood. They look good. Passiflora palens right here. Looks good. French bulldogs look good. You know, this is the remnants of my Mexican sunflowers. Look how sad. I am so glad I dug a lot of them up and they look good. We'll check on them in a minute too. Look how, oh my gosh, they're completely done. My coral honeysuckle looks great. Yay. This fire bush here is done. It'll come back. I've lost this one before and it's come back. It's just beautiful, full green and covered with flowers, and it's just gonna be this big empty spot till it grows in. It's gonna be months of empty spot. And you guys look back there at my little potted tropical sage. It looks fine. I mean, there's a couple of burnt leaves. How did that all come through so well? I don't know, but I'll take it. And then I still have these guys to uncover. We'll do that later and see how all that is. A little bit of damage on this silver buttonwood. This one here, though, looks great. Oh gosh, the southern fog fruit is crunchy, but it has some stems that are fine. Okay, here I'm on the back side of my tea bush and I'm a little hopeful because right in there are some green leaves coming off of the stem. And so I am hopeful. That means they're gonna grow back because this is a plant, oh my gosh, it's such a beneficial plant to pollinators, a Florida native. And I would immediately be replacing these. I would be at the nectary buying more. But they grow slow. Like these are years old, these guys, and I don't want to lose them. I think they're going to be okay though. At least this one on this side. All right, little potted Dahoon hollies are good. My potted trees are good. The red bay and the sweet bay magnolia. Back here, it's a Florida Christmas berry or something. That's the one with the tall, actually it looks like it's thriving. Like it looks better than it has in a while. And the marlberries look beautiful. They're finally growing. I love it. Look on this side. The wind blew off my cover and I had those clipped on. But fortunately, the plants look okay. Except this little spice bush that was growing back. This porterweed, but it's gonna be all right. What I'm surprised about is all my little Aristolochia elegans seedlings look fine, because this one, I mean, when you look it up, it says it does not like cold temperatures. It's a tropical plant. And they're all looking good. Necklace pod looks good. My Florida native plumbago, the taller branches got some freeze damage, but down lower I can see some green. This is another snow square stem. Got some damage, but not too bad. This is my privet senna, and it's crunchy. It's gonna live, but it's gonna look ugly. I'll have to like chop it back and let it regrow and fill out. My cocoa plum has some damage. This button sage looks good. But look at this fire bush. It looks like a deciduous tree, and it's not. My rue is good. Tropical sage, not so much. That's up here with it. But in my garden room, look. I am just so glad I dug these up, because I won't have to wait forever to have blooms in my garden. Because let me tell you, we're going to be in the 80s at the end of this week. That's right, in the 80s. It's crazy. And now I'm going to have flowers to put out there for the butterflies. Except I'm going to put them all up here outside my garden room door until I'm sure we're not going to have another freeze. So they'll be real close by and a lot easier to move in. So I think first thing I'm going to move these guys out and give them a good drink. And then after I do that, I'll come back and we'll go uncover some things and see how they did, including all of my little seedlings there that I can't really get to right now because the pentas and Mexican sunflowers are in the way. You guys, life goes on. I just literally saw a butterfly fly through. I think it was a zebra longwing. I just went in and edited what I have so far, and guess what? We're at 25 minutes, and you know the rule. When I get between 25 and 30 minutes of video, I'm going to go in and edit and get it up that day. So we're going to pause here. I know. I still have to uncover everything, and you're not going to miss it. I'm still going to uncover and bring you along, but that'll just be in the next video. So stay tuned, and I'll see you then. Tap the like button, subscribe to my channel if you like just lay back hanging out in a butterfly garden throughout the year, vlog style, and see what's happening when it's happening. Then this is the place you want to be, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.